You all know that kids' coloring books are some of the best-selling books out there. But the real problem we face is finding a profitable niche, whether on Etsy or Amazon. Today, I'm going to solve that problem for you. And not just that, I'll teach you how to design a highly professional coloring book that you won't find anywhere on Amazon with just one click. And we're not stopping there. I'll also show you how to design a professional cover for your book. And yes, we're still not done. I'll teach you how to create a clean, professional mock-up for your book. And even that is not the end. I'll also show you how to create a promotional video for your book so you can boost your sales. This video is complete, yet still short and straight to the point, so make sure you stay till the end to get the full benefit. In this video, we're going to use the amazing platform Higsfield, and you already know, it's an all-in-one platform, starting from image design all the way to video creation. But today, they've introduced something powerful, Higgsfield Canvas. This is an incredible tool that allows you to create professional images and videos in a connected way, all inside one board. And I personally use it because it's just that good. Higgsfield Canvas is a visual, node-based workspace that lets you build complete AI content workflows instead of working in separate steps. You can connect prompts, images, and videos into one seamless pipeline, no coding required, while using multiple AI models in a single canvas, from generating characters to animating and enhancing them. It also supports real-time collaboration, reusable templates, and consistent asset management for things like characters and branding. Best of all, building and organizing your workflow is free. You only pay when you generate content, making it a fast and powerful tool for turning your ideas into fully produced videos and creative projects. As we said, the first thing we need is profitable niches, and I'm here to help you with that. I've actually created a file for you that contains 50 profitable niches, carefully researched with years of experience and deep analysis. We're going to use this file in this video, and it includes 50 book titles that you can create, and they are expected to perform really well in 2026, especially in the second half of 2026, which is literally next month. So I highly recommend you start using it today. And the best part, it's completely free. Just tell me in the comments, and I'll send it to you. Now let's get started. We'll go to the file and pick one of these books. For this example, I'll choose School Bus Adventure Coloring Book. All I need to do is copy the book title, then head directly to ChatGPT and ask it to generate ready-to-use prompts for designing the book pages. And within seconds, ChatGPT gives me all the prompts I need. Now I'll head over to Higgsfield Canvas. You'll find the link in the description below this video. All we have to do is click on Create Canvas, and this big board will appear right in front of you, and this is where the magic happens. I'll click on the plus icon, and you'll see multiple options. You can create images, videos, and even text. Let's start by clicking on Text, and don't worry, you'll understand everything step by step. Next, I'll paste the text for the first page, and here you can easily customize everything. Change the text color, adjust the size, and organize the page exactly how you want. I'll make the text slightly smaller. Then we'll click on the T icon next to it and choose Image Generation. Now, you can either describe exactly what you want in the image or simply use the same text we already wrote to generate the image. Personally, I prefer keeping the text separate from the image, so it's easier to edit later, and we'll try everything together right now. After that, I'll select the AI model that will generate the page. I'll leave it on GPT Image 2. Then we choose the page dimensions. I'll go with 3 to 4, and now we select the quality. It even supports up to 4K. Now we click Generate, and in just 1 second, look at this. It created an amazing coloring page. I'm honestly impressed with this result, and I'm sure you won't find something this good on Etsy or Amazon. This really shows the power of Higgsfield Canvas. By the way, you'll find the link in the pinned comment and description. Go try it right now. And just like that, we've finished the first page. What's really cool is that if you click on the image icon next to the page, you can easily edit it or even use it to create a video. We'll try that in a moment. You'll notice it automatically sets the page as a reference, so you can modify it or use it to generate new pages based on it. Now let's move on to the second page. I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the second page, then return to Higgsfield Canvas, click the plus icon again, and choose Image Generation. Let's paste the prompt here. Select the dimensions 3 to 4, and for quality, I'll leave it at 2K, then click Generate. And here's something really powerful. You can generate multiple coloring pages at the same time. So I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy several prompts, and generate them using the same method. This makes the process super fast. We can create a full, high-quality book in just minutes. Now let's take a look at the results together. All the pages look incredible. I'm honestly blown away. And I'm sure this book will perform really well on Etsy and Amazon. Just follow this exact method. And just like that, we've completed the coloring pages. You can easily edit any page using the Edit button if you want to tweak something or improve it. Also, this board is very clean and organized. You can select all pages, group them together, and even assign a color to the group. I'll choose red so it stands out from the rest of the work. I personally love staying organized. And as I promised, in this video, we're not just creating the interior pages. We're also creating the cover, the mock-up, and even the promotional video. So let's jump straight into designing the cover next. Now, to create the cover, all I have to do is go back to ChatGPT and tell it that I want a cover for this book. It will instantly generate a prompt for me. I'll copy it directly, then head back again to Higgsfield Canvas. Using the same method, I'll click on the plus icon, but this time I'll choose Prompt. You'll see an empty box appear, and all we need to do is paste the prompt right here. This is extremely useful if you want to generate multiple images from the same prompt, and you'll see that in action right now. Next, I'll click on the T icon next to the prompt box and choose Image Generation. Now it will use this exact prompt to generate the image. I'll quickly adjust the size to 3 to 4, then click Generate. And here's something really cool. We can create another image using the same prompt, but with a different AI model at the same time, and then compare them together. I honestly love this platform. Now let's take a look at the results. You'll notice that both covers look amazing. I really like both of them, but I think I'm leaning more toward this first one, so I'll go with it. Now, to add the book title onto this cover, all I have to do is click on the image icon on the right side of the cover, then choose Image Generation again. I'll simply ask it to write the title on the cover in a professional way. And now, look at this incredible result. I'm sure you're just as impressed as I am. Now, let's move directly to the third step, Mock-up Generation. All I have to do is click on the image icon next to the final cover, choose Image Generation again, and simply ask it to create a professional mock-up for this cover. Then I'll click Generate, and just look at this. This is a beautiful image that I can use on Etsy and Amazon. You can see the result is amazing from the first try, and at the same time, it's super easy to use. That's why I highly recommend you start now. Get ahead of everyone and create stunning coloring books. Now we only have one final step left to make this video completely full, and that is creating the video. Again, I'll click on the image icon next to the mockup, but this time I'll choose Video Generation. I'll simply ask it to use this image to create a promotional video for the book. I'll select Cdance 2, which, as you may know, is one of the latest models for video generation, and I'm honestly very impressed with it. By the way, Higgsfield Canvas supports all kinds of image and video generation models. After that, I'll choose the video duration, let's say 10 seconds, and I want it with sound. Then I'll set the video dimensions. I'll go with 9 to 16, and finally, I'll click Generate. Now let's watch the result together. I'm honestly very impressed with this result. As you can see, I didn't expect we could reach this level of professionalism using AI. Once I'm done, I'll group all these images together into one group and assign it a distinct color so it stands out. You can easily edit or delete these groups anytime you want. You can also create multiple projects on this large, powerful, and fun board. You can even add comments next to any image or text, draw, and leave notes to make your workflow easier. Everything is organized in one place, which is just amazing. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment below so I can send you the file with the 50 trending coloring book ideas for this year. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.